The Master of Science in International Marketing and Business Development offers key added value both academically and professionally. We provide a strategic global perspective on new international challenges. Our students will understand how marketing strategies vary internationally, learning to tailor campaigns to diverse cultural, economic, and socially responsible contexts. We train future leaders for efficient cross-cultural management. International marketing is not just about promotion. Our MSc covers intercultural communication, team management, and international leadership, crucial for global roles in a changing world. Our program includes international experiences, both in Europe and in Asia or Africa. We prepare our students for career opportunities and networking. We also prepare students for roles like international business developer, product brand manager, or marketing strategist, with access to an alumni network, company projects, and internships. Students will learn practical skills for international business. We focus on impactful approaches like market research, sales development, customer acquisition, and intercultural management. They will gain experience in go-to-market strategies, B2B, B2C marketing, negotiation, and international sales. At the beginning of April, students move to their international terms in either Vietnam or South Africa, in one of our partner institutions, CFVG in Vietnam and Stellenbosch University in South Africa. An intercultural discovery of new realities, new challenges in completely different environments. Discovery, engagement, opportunities.